Embedding Calendly in Voiceflow allows users to book appointments directly within a conversational flow, making it a streamlined experience. Here's how to set up the integration. Set up your Calendly link. First, ensure you have a Calendly account and your event link ready. Go to your Calendly event settings, click on Share your link and copy the event URL. Log into Voiceflow. Open your Voiceflow project where you want to add the scheduling capability. Create a prompt step. In Voiceflow, add a speaker prompt block, which will introduce the scheduling option to users. For example, it could say, "Would you like to schedule an appointment?" Add a choice block. Next, add a choice block to capture the user's response. If they say yes, the flow will continue to the next step. If no, it will redirect elsewhere in your Voiceflow project. Use the Calendly link. For those interested in scheduling, you can provide the Calendly link as a text response or as an embedded URL. Use a text or speak block to share. Here's a link to book a time. Test the flow. Run a test in Voiceflow to ensure the link appears and redirects properly.